Why did you ask me to stop?
What is the need of staying in this car with me not responding to me? What's the need? Even your facial expression shows that you are angry. If something is wrong, open up to me.
I am supposed to be the one angry here, not you.
Really?
Yes.
You know what? Open this car. Open this car!
What is wrong with you? Calm down now. People will think we are fighting.
But that is what is happening. We are fighting.
We are not fighting. Just calm down.
You know what? You can keep the surprise to yourself. I don't need it.
Hello, Lucy.
Hello, Irene. Guess who I just saw was David now?
I wouldn't know. Who did you see?
Lizzie! I just saw the both entering an hotel.
What? You're kidding, right?
I'm serious. So David has been cheating on me all this while? Huh. Babes, I am sure that Lizzie has been in this town even before David returned from his NYC.
Okay, fine. Just calm down. Calm down. Find out what they're up to. Before making or taking any conclusion. You know David. You know what he's capable of. Calm down. Use your head very well. Don't cause a scene there, Lucy. I know you. Don't cause a scene.
No problem. Just trust me. I'll handle this wisely.
Thank God you said wisely. Good luck. Hotel. How? I can't believe this.
So, this is who you truly are. David? Come to see. Ah! Hold it right there. You husband snatch. I don't understand. Are you insane? Oh, you think I don't know? Oh, you feel I don't know what you and David are up to?
Hey, you guys have to stop.
No. Let me tell you something. David here is mine. So stop flirting around people's minds. Shut up!
Why should you do that?
I'll do it again.
Come on.
Hey! Hey! Lucy! Hey! I will tell you what you want. I will show you something. I will show you something. I will tell you. I want you to play this game. You want to try it out? You want to try it out? I will show you something. You want to try it right now? People came to separate us. Otherwise, she should have been in the hospital bed, wrestling for her stupid, useless life. So, she thinks she can succeed in taking David away from me? From me? Lizzie, you haven't seen anything yet. I will show you that I am more than Margaret Tasha.
Can you just calm down? Bring down your voice. If the neighbor hears you now, they'll think we are here fighting. What is it?
Let them hear. Yes! Let them hear! What is this?
Yes, girl, I'm just tired. I'm tired. I won't give somebody peace in this house.
It was Lizzie I saw in my dreams. Lizzie.
I don't understand. Are you insane?
Oh, you think I don't know? Oh, you feel I don't know what you and David are up to?
Hey, you guys have to stop.
No. Let me tell you something. David here is mine. So stop flirting around people's minds! Shut up! Wait. What's it to that?
I'll do it again.
Come on.
Hey! Lucy! I will tell you something. I will show you something. Allow me to play this game. You want to try it now? You want to try it now? I will show you something. You want to try it?
Babe, you said you have something very important to discuss with me.
Yes.
What is that?
It's about a dream I had. You just broke up with me.
Really?
Yes. In that dream, she didn't just break up with me, but she got married to someone who is close to me and to the family.
Really? Babe, come on. It's just a mere dream, not a reality. Okay?
You don't understand it.
See, you just have to take your mind off this before you start suspecting anyone that comes around me.
Did you go with Lucy?
You can imagine why she called me. Just to tell me about the dream she had.
What about it?
That I got married to someone that is close to her and us. So she had to call her dad to tell him that we are coming to see him. What's so funny?
I'm just trying to understand the whole thing. Coming to see them as what?
As the man she's getting married to.
Oh my goodness. Well, when last did you hear from Lizzie?
About 2 months ago. Yeah.
But Irene called to say Lizzie's in town.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So I think you should verify from Lucy.
That's not possible. Lizzie cannot come into town without calling me on the phone.
That's why I said you should verify from Lucy.
Hell no. I can't do such a thing. She will believe that we're having something. And also believe that the dream she had is beginning to play out.
David, what's bothering you?
Lucy picked up a fight with Lizzie today.
How?
I went to see Lizzie in the hotel where she's lodged. And immediately Lucy saw us. And she thought we were having something. Immediately she picked up a fight and started insulting Lizzie. They engaged in a fight. A serious fight for that matter. I tried separating them, but it wasn't working out. So some other persons just came along to help me to separate them. It was like a Royal Rumble.
Why is Lucy like this? Hmm? And the funniest part is she does not want to change.
There is an extent to what I can take. But if it gets to what I cannot control, then good radiance to bad rubbish.
I'll talk to her. It's okay.
It's okay, I've heard. And you, I need to see that you're victim.
Okay, sir. Tomorrow I'll talk to him. Then you guys will meet up.
Good.
It's okay.
I'll be in my room.
Okay.
Oh, why me? Why is this happening to me?
Wait, you mean she was fighting taekwondo, karate, what do we call this again? She was even using bottle.
Let's see, I didn't mention bottle, please. I did not mention bottles.
Come off it, I was just catching my phone. But come to think of it, this your girl not the try you, Lucy. Try to advise that girl. Advise that girl to change from this account of making troubles everywhere.
I am not going to tell her anything, because talking to her is like pouring butter on a stone, talking to a dumb head. I am tired I'm just tired and fed up of the whole thing.
Hi. Do you know, and Lizzie did not tell me anything.
You don't even know the kind of person Lizzie is. Lizzie would love to meet with you face to face before anything, else the issue is a serious one.
What's the problem? Okay. Somebody bring this parcel come. He say, may I give you.
What's the name of the person?
He say his name na Felix.
Felix.
Let
me have it. Well, listen. Anytime anyone looks for me, make sure you don't open door for the person. The person must call me on phone first. It applies to everyone.
Okay, sir. Say may they call you for phone first, yes, before go the open gate for anybody.
Very good. We're on the same page.
Yes.
Now you can go back to it.
Okay, sir. Oga, you know say you get what you promise me. I don't know whether if you activate or not.
Don't worry, I'll do that. I'll see to it. Go back to your duty post. Hello, Felix. How did you get these pictures? Okay. I'll comply. It's a deal.
What Lucy did was uncalled for. What she did was very embarrassing and so disgusting for my liking. I have never been so humiliated before. How could she think that Lizzie, is having an affair with you? How?
I'm sorry about that, okay? You know, Lucy has this disgusting, terrible attitude towards things. She doesn't even think through things before carrying out an act.
I thought she must have changed by now. But looking at what she displayed, I think she has a lot to deal with about herself.
Please, just forgive her, okay? She's a friend. Don't allow what happened to ruin the friendship both of you built for a long time now.
Then talk some sense into her. How can she be living like she has no friends? With her attitude, she has chased everyone away. I was the only one who stood by her, and that's because I was ready to chew and swallow her nonsense.
And that's why up to now you guys are still getting along.
Not anymore.
Babe, don't say that. I knew Lucy through you. As a matter of fact, you're the one that even played the major role to make me fall in love with her before you traveled. So don't make it to look as if I'm the one that is making you to cut ties with her.
Okay, while you're at it, talk some senses into her. Because if a madness pops up, whatever you see, you take it.
Please, I don't want to believe I am talking to another Lucy here.
Heaven forbids that.
Ada, just calm down. Calm down. Don't be too hard on yourself. But I would advise you tell David before your mom, if you ask me. See, they are just concerned about you. If your parents, they are concerned about you. At least, not like they are treating you like a child. But you told me, they said you're matured enough to know what's good for you. So, fine, it's okay, I understand. Calm down, I get. Ada, my friend. So tell me, where are you? How is mommy and daddy? Are you serious? Alone in that big house of... You they try. No, now. My time with Lucy has not expired though. Don't worry, it will soon expire. Then you have me all to yourself. Alright, girl. Take very good care of yourself, eh? Bye.
There's nobody in the house. Lucy.
Hey. Why you dey do like this now? Eh? You want me to sack person? Eh?
What is wrong with you? I mean, what is wrong with both of you? Oh, you now talk to me as if I'm a stranger in this house. Jumbo, oh, you have no regard for me, right? Let me tell you, I have rights more than any of you in this house. You're just ordinary gate man. Lucy, wait. Did Brother David and Sister Dan know you are coming? Do I need to take permission first? Huh?
Not be the same thing I ask you. See, make you just call them. No, eh?
But Sister Lucy, you know, this thing you're doing, it's not right. You need to call them first so that we know if we can let you in. And so what? And so what? Oh, you want to lecture me on what is right or wrong? Okay. Come here. Where? I said come.
No, not touch am. Eh? Not touch am. Waiting. I go change her for you now. You define who they go sack, Abi.
You want to fight me? In my own father-in-law's house. You want to fight me? Okay, there's no problem. But you know what? I will report the both of you to David. I will tell him that you two refused me from entering this house. But
hey, waiting. Eh? Now others now will they follow. Now just make you call them. Now others will they follow. Yes. Not be say we not want me you come in or this thing. You be like thief for our eye. Not be say we not say me you come in. Waiting. Yeah. You're calling me a thief. Hey, leave Abo. Leave Abo. Me I'm not change her for you now. Leave Abo. Eh?
Idiots. Don't worry, I'll come back for you.
This God.
You will lose your jobs. Abino.
Up Nepa. See color.
Who is there?
It's me, David.
Come in.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine. Where is Lucy?
I've been calling her phone, but she's not picking.
She said she'll be going to her new shop, then to your place.
Okay. Let me call her again.
Alright.
What is it? What is it? You said my first to pick your call. Can't I let somebody be? What?
You didn't tell me you're here.
You didn't give me the chance to talk to you.
I'm sorry about who I spoke to you. You see not those your stupid gate man and maid. They just got me pissed today.
So what happened?
Baby, can you imagine? Those things refusing me from entering my father's in-laws house today. You can imagine that insult.
Lucy.
Yes?
Is it human beings you just referred to as things? That's inappropriate. Especially coming from an educated girl like you.
Irene, please. I beg, Irene. Listen, this is my matter. So allow me to express myself the way I want.
Lucy, do you really think before you say anything?
Are you? Do you also want to insult me in my own house?
Hey, my friend, just shut up and listen. Just keep quiet and listen. What is wrong with you? Are you on drugs or something? I can go for you. What is that? Lucy in the morning? Lucy in the night? Lucy in the afternoon? Lucy. Are you a Lucifer? What is it? You need to get your head examined to know what is wrong with you. Koala.
Irene, was that David that just spoke to me like that or someone else? Just tell me before I open my eyes!
I don't know. Maybe you need to do some findings about yourself. You need to work on yourself.
Irene, please, do not lecture me here. Please, I don't want your lectures. I don't want your lectures. Don't let me use this shoe on you right now. Because I'm pissed already.
What I'm saying is you should check out and find out what is wrong with you. Period. Stupid kid.
So you mean she tried forcing herself in, even after you both told her we were not around?
Yes, so sister. Thank God JB was here. She nearly beat me up when I asked her if Brother David and you were aware of her coming.
Now, you don't even know. You don't know the film when play today. You see Jet Li. Ask Jackie Chan. Hey, Usain Bolt. When we say they run, can't they the movie? Not be smart thing. Nothing when we not here today. He say whether I did during the foundation of this house. Now, be like I lay the first block. Say I get the right to enter. Yeah, my father-in-law place. Me I can say okay, if you get right, me go get left. But I'm not gonna let you enter.
Jumbo, it's okay.
Hey.
I am happy she did not create a scene here. Next time, if she refuses to call any of us, you both can call. Same applies to any other visitor that comes here. Call us before letting anyone in.
We don't hear you, man.
Jumbo, I have told you to call me Ada. Or better still, Stella.
Okay, Ada. Case all settled.
Better come in.
My food though. Let them not forget that one. Not be small fight today. I need to shop.
Hey, boy, this plumber when they say make a call safe. Don't forget to. I be number.
What is it? Why is your face like that?
I'm fine.
No. You can't be telling me that. It is written all over your face. What happened?
I said I am fine.
Okay. It's alright. I'm just trying to show concern. Thank you.
I had it hot with Lucy today.
Lucy again?
Yes. So I left. Coming back to pick the car keys I forgot on the table. Entering the house, the next thing I saw on my face was her shoe.
What? You mean Lucy threw her shoe on your face?
Ada, it wasn't deliberate.
Please just don't tell me that. What if one of your eyes got blinded, or the two of them? I am going to show Lucy that her own madness is still attending kindergarten. I will show her the real madness. She's stupid.
Ada, it wasn't deliberate.
I think we should stop her because with the way she's going, something bad might happen.
Dada, is David in?
Does this place look like a house to you? And moreover, why do you want to see him?
I just want to apologize to him.
Are you listening to me? If you feel my brother is too humble and gentle for you to handle, I am here to let you know that he has a sister who is as mad as you are.
Are you talking to me like
Oh, please shut up! Shut the hell up! Who are you that I cannot talk to you? Whose daughter are you?
I know you are pushing me.
You say what?
Like you are pushing
Then
me.
do your worst!
To teach her a lesson.
See what you're doing. Idiot! You know if mom and dad comes out here, they won't like what you're doing. See what you're doing, Ada. What is it? It's okay. Stop it. Stop it now. Stop it.
I know what your problem is. You're just jealous because you didn't see anybody to love you.
Just hold this your expired door.
Hey! Ada, go back to the car.
Let it be.
Go back to the car. Go back to the house now.
Let it be. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What's this? Leave me alone. Let me talk to her.
Next time I will deal with you. I will personally deal with you. Nonsense.
Stop this now.
Foolish girl. What is this?
Stop this now.
Hey. What's going on here? What's this? What is going on here?
Mom, I don't know. What is this now?
This is so unbelievable. You mean the two of you couldn't have settled whatever it was in here? Why would you create a scene out there? Why?
Mom, I'm very sure that Lucy's scared of the fight in front of the house. Ada wouldn't have done that if she didn't go beyond her limits.
Excuse me. Like, what are you saying? Why are you sounding as if you were there when it all started? I don't blame you. That is your sister, so you always support her. But wait a minute. Like, did you expect me to fold my arms and watch your sister slap me?
Just listen to yourself. Listen to yourself speak. Mom, I only went to warn her not to repeat what she did to my brother. Next thing, she attacked me.
No, you're a liar. You attacked me first.
No, you attacked me.
No, you
Stop!
stop!
That's enough.
thought you were friends.
That was before. That was just then. Then! Not after what she did to my brother. Mad girl. I think you're the one that is mad.
And you, David, if you had played a good part, I'm sure what happened wouldn't have happened.
Mom, they are two close friends, so I was surprised they could fight each other. Yes, but I'm so sorry that this whole thing happened because of me.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Lucy, you are a woman, and a very beautiful one at that. Why would you fight because of hearsay? A woman is supposed to be calm. What makes you a strong woman is your ability to control your anger and do things the normal way. Your ability to settle issues without getting violent. That's what makes you a woman.
I've heard you, Mom. I'll try to change.
Amen, oh!
Glory, hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus.
God has answered my prayer, so...
Ada, what is wrong with you?
Will you stop? Enough! Enough! And you, Ada, this is not how I raised you. I raised you to become a lady, not a street fighter. I hope this will never repeat itself. I'm tired. I'll leave you three to settle this whole thing as adults. Excuse me.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Excuse me too.
Baby, I am so sorry. I didn't mean it this way.
It's okay, I've let go. It's okay.
I mean, you've forgiven me?
Let go.
Oh, come here.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, I'm having some headache. I need to go rest my head, okay? Yeah.
Why am I so unlucky? Why should I keep crying? Every day it's from one problem to the other. Tears upon tears.
I warned you. I told you not to go. Take a chill pill. Calm down. Let his temper calm. You won't listen. You've gone. See what you've caused. Enough, please. Enough. I don't want all these lectures, please. Oh, who is there?
It's me.
Who?
Oh, big sis. I'm back. Irene.
Hey.
It's quite a long time. Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Big sis, I came because of the call you pulled through. Yeah, you don't have to worry about anything. I don't show beside I don't show. You understand? I'm going to make sure I fix things. Alright? I don't show beside I don't show. Don't panic. It'll be easier. It'll be more easier for you. Alright? I hope you have something to ready. Everywhere, Joe. I understand Lucy has a tooth problem, but that does not mean you should go ahead and fight her.
I didn't fight her. She started the whole thing. I didn't fight her.
But if you didn't leave the house at the time, this wouldn't have happened. It's not that your brother is not okay. It's okay, it's fine. So you should thank God for that.
I've heard you, Dad. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Just understand that Lucy is your sister-in-law to be.
Dad, she's not a wife material.
Really?
Yes, because I've tried to change her, but it's not working.
It's up to you. The ball is on your court, so.
Ada, you're talking as if you don't know who Lucy is.
Who is she?
Her character should not be strange to you by now. And given the way you attacked her, you are ready for her battle and my hands are off.
I'm very much ready. I mean, who is she that I cannot talk to her? Onyeko, who is she? She's so lucky today. She is so lucky that my brother and Amaka intervened. If not, I would have torn her apart. Foolish thing.
Babe, it's okay. Okay, fine. I apologize on her behalf. Okay? Please. Just... She's your friend though. Lucy is our friend. Please.
Well, that's bygone. I've forgotten everything.
That's my girl. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey, you. What's up? Why are you still coming over for the weekend?
What are you doing? What's that? What are you doing? Jesus.
This is the guy you told me about.
That guy doesn't have manners. He's very stupid. See the way he dragged you. It didn't even occur to him that I might be someone very close to you.
It's okay.
He could have checked. He could have checked if I'm someone very close to you. He doesn't have manners at all.
It's okay. It's okay now, David. Look, I'm very sure if you get to meet him and have a talk with him, you will like him. He's a very likable person.
Must he drag you that way? Women are very soft. They are very tender to handle. What if he hurts you?
He hurts me.
Eh?
Look, I'm not that fragile. I'm a superwoman. I'm a
strong
strong woman.
You super.
I'm a strong woman. Come on, meet him. You like him?
I'm coming.
Come.
I am coming. Go first. I'm coming.
I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, I'm coming.
It's okay. But keep that apology to my brother. You overreacted, Victor.
I didn't do anything. I was really trying to protect you.
By using your muscles to drag me. It's okay. When you come, you apologize to me.
Lizzie, you fuck up big time. How could you do this to my sister? Your own childhood friend. We shall see.
Yes, I'm on my way. Yes, I'll soon be there. But please, after this, don't call this line again. Delete this number. Amaka?
Sir.
Where has your mom gone to?
She has gone to the shop, sir.
So early?
Yes, sir.
So she left without telling me. Anyway, I've paid for your GC and also with some money for your miscellaneous, your transport and things like that.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. Welcome. I really appreciate it.
Let me go. Hello?
Bye, sir. Thank you. Yes.
Hello, boss. Yes, I confirm. There's money. Okay. I'm making call. What's the problem?
David.
Yep.
Lucy called me this morning and said you have not been keeping in touch with her. Was it the problem you guys had the other time?
Emeka, to be honest with you, I am done. I am tired with that relationship. You know, I've tried so much to make it work, to make her change, but it's not working out at all. I think she's not my type. Okay? I've tried to change her, but it's not working out. So, I don't think I can cope.
Have you discussed this with her since then?
How many times? Well, she kept saying, I am sorry. I will change. But no way, she's not changing.
This is not what I'm talking about. I mean, have you discussed with her that you are no longer interested in the relationship?
Anyway, my absence alone will tell her that I'm done. I don't need to start discussing or dialoguing that issue with her.
David, you are talking as if you are the only one in this relationship. Look, you have to call her and tell her this, so she will not be thinking she's still your girl.
I think you have a point there. I think I have to do just that. Yes. That's a serious point.
That's better, but you need to think this through, if this is exactly what you want.
I've thought of this over and over and over again, but I think I'm standing on my decision.
Okay then. I have to go.
It's okay, bro.
Have a nice
day. Take care, huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Bye. Yeah, I'll see you.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay.
What of Amaka?
Okay, she's inside. Okay. Yeah, you can meet her there.
Hurry up. I need to go. You know, I don't like Mr. P. He doesn't like us coming late to class.
Give me a little time, okay?
Oh yeah, hurry up.
You're always bothering yourself.
Please go in.
Just as we agreed.
Yes, sir.
This is your own share of the money. Take it.
Wow.
Put it inside the same bed.
Thanks, boss. Nice doing business with you.
I hope to do more business with you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Take it. Be careful.
Lucy, see, what I'm about to tell you now might hurt you, might piss you off, but I'm just going to tell you the truth. Okay? I don't think I can continue with this relationship because I can see we are not compatible. You know, this whole thing is getting me crazy. Not that, listen, not that anybody told me what to do, okay? It was my decision. I decided on doing this. And I just want to end the relationship. Lucy, it's not working out between us. It's not really working out. So I don't see the reason we should be deceiving ourselves doing this.
David, if it's about me, Chief, giving you pressure and getting married to me, I am sorry. I can wait anytime, anyhow, whenever you're ready. I'll wait.
Lucy, it's not all about marriage. It's all about my decision. I cannot continue with this relationship. We are not compatible. Okay? Love is a thing of the heart. But I don't think I can go on again with you. So please, for your information, when you meet another man out there, try and be good. I am sorry. It cannot work. Okay? And one more thing. Be nice and change your attitude. Goodbye.
David. I'm sure Ada has a hand in this.
Yes, listen, Felix. I am calling to tell you I don't want to receive any calls on this issue again. Please, no more threat. Adam must not be aware of this. Neither anyone should know.
Mr. Nathaniel Okoye, calm down, calm your nerves. I'm the only one that knows your little secrets. Yeah. Nobody should know that Ada is an adopted child. I cross my heart. Yeah, thanks doing business with you, bro.
Keep your own side of the bargain, right? You are lucky I'm not standing with you face to face. I would have given you a punch that would remove all your teeth.
What is the hidden truth? Hidden truth. Yeah, to say. My ears are itching me, itching to
sis, big sis. What's wrong? You look so moody. What's going on?
He broke up with me.
You mean David?
Yes.
What?
He said he is no longer interested in our relationship.
What is wrong with that guy? Is he crazy? Like, is he mad or something? What's wrong with him?
I don't know. But I'm very sure Ada polluted his mind against me.
Ada?
I know.
What's really going on? I'm glad I have some of her pictures with me. No one toys with my sister and goes scot-free. I'm definitely going to deal with these people.
I swear, David will pay for this. He will regret this. David will come back here begging. I swear.
Wow. I think I need to change my plans.
No. It's okay. I will handle it.
Nothing is okay. I have to claim some damages. You need to put yourself together. Let me see 1 or 2 pieces. I'll be right back.
Obi.
Lucy, what is wrong with Obi? And why is your face like this? Lucy. Talk to me, what is it?
Make I tell you what happen for Abule. Even when you know the for the Abule. Oh yeah, hold on tight. Hey, who be that one? Eh? You know if you get respect for mansion like this. Say if you knock, you go waste more, maybe they observe you before you knock again. Oh, let me change that for you. I'll knock anyhow. Sister Ada. Ada. This face not normal. They thief your phone. No. This face not be normal face. So. You can attend to me. This not be normal face at all. No. Sister Ada. Sister Ada, sorry, Ada. I say make I come know wetin make your face be like that just now when you take pass me. Ada. Okay, you know one. Jesus. See, anybody when make your face be like this, when put you for this mood, Holy Ghost fire go knock the person head. In fact, the person go.
Denounce that curse. Now!
Which one? This one just now. Oh, okay. Anybody when put you for this mood, when make your face be like akara when not done so, Holy Ghost fire go mercy for the person. The person not go waka naked, but go waka naked enter bedroom. In Jesus' name, I denounce the curse now. Amen. Hey, but wetin you say?
Get out!
Ma dey go, eh?
I said get out!
Sorry.
So Lizzie, are you really serious about this abroad stuff?
Yes. Once my visa is ready, I'm off.
Really?
Yes. Before I forget, meet my friend Lucy. Lucy, David.
Hi Lucy. Dave.
I know your name.
For real?
Yes. I thought your sister had told me a lot about you.
Wow. That's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
So you know my sister?
Yes, I met her through Lizzie.
Yes. She's been to my shop severally. Both of them became best of friends. Mm-hmm.
So, how come I never met you?
Well, I've been here just twice. Just that you were never around.
You're welcome.
Okay. Let me lead both of you to catch up with each other while I meet up with Ada in her room.
You don't actually parents in this town?
No, but I will soon.
Soon?
Yeah, I'll be taking over Lizzie's shop, so I'm kind of paying her off for the shop so that I can handle the boutique business myself while she's gone.
Wow, that's good to hear.
So I hope I'll see you more often.
Maybe because I'm not always around.
Don't worry, I can always come around to see you in school. Hope you don't mind.
It's like you're so caring.
You can see that again.
Why am I so unlucky?
See, I am your brother. Your elder brother. You can divulge anything to me, anytime. What is it? Ada, what is it? What is it? Please talk to me. Talk to me. What is it?
David, I am not who you think I am.
What? I don't understand.
I saw a flash on the floor. It looks exactly like mine.
Okay.
So I picked it.